Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Nova 10 SE and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find system and updates. Now let's tap on reset, and as you can see on the second position we've got the option we're looking for. So let's tap on reset network settings. Here your device will ask you if you really want to do it, because you will reset the network settings including the Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. So let's tap on reset settings. Again, it's informing you that this operation cannot be undone, so let's tap on reset if you want to, and as you can see the network settings have been reset successfully. So basically that's all. This is how to reset network preferences in your HUAWEI Nova 10 SE. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.